I'm right behind you. Throw this board up in the air. It's from 12. 2, 1. Follow the arrows. So we're gonna go in. And I think it goes without saying, the hard flip was good, the tray flip was even better. Both of them were stomped. Garrett Stropsky, get up here. Get aboard from our bike well Skateboards here in Marysville. Let's hear it for Garrett, everybody. Nice job, man. This is a homie right here.
Get it, bro.
The Ethan Costanzo Award is an award we give away every single year to the person who works tirelessly to Texas plant, sweeper, back plant, and layback every single corner like we have here. The Ethan Costanzo Layback Texas Plant Fast Plant Award is going to go to Connor for doing that exact thing on the mini ramp. Connor, get over here. You want to scram skateboard courtesy of Black Market Skates down on Aurora. Let's hear it for Connor. There you go, dude. For sure. There you go, man.